In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text clearly in Confluence. Let's start by opening the Confluence page you want to format. Navigate to the page just as you normally would and make sure you're looking at the content that needs some polish. The goal is to make your page easier to scan, understand, and share with your team. Next, click Edit. This opens the page in the editor, so you can work directly with the content. If you don't see the option, you may not have permission to edit. So check with your workspace admin before continuing. Now highlight the text you want to change. You can drag your cursor across a word, a sentence, or an entire section, depending on what needs attention. If you make a selection you don't love, just click elsewhere to reset it and try again. With your text selected, use the toolbar to apply bold, italic, headings, lists, or links. Bold is great for drawing attention to important terms or decisions. Italic works well for emphasis, notes, or short asides. For structure, apply headings to break up long content into clear sections. Reserve the top level page title for the main heading, and use heading 2 for major sections, then heading 3 for subsections. This creates a logical hierarchy that helps readers and improves navigation. For lists, choose a bulleted list when the order doesn't matter, and a numbered list when the order does. Keep list items short and parallel in style so they're easy to scan. To add links, select the text you want to turn into a link and use the link button in the toolbar. You can link to another Confluence page or paste a web address. Use descriptive link text so readers know exactly where the link goes. Adjust the text style so the page is easier to read. Aim for short paragraphs, consistent capitalization in headings, and limited use of bold and italic so emphasis remains meaningful. Avoid overly long lines by breaking up dense content, and use white space purposefully so important ideas have room to breathe. Clear, concise wording will always beat clutter. Before saving, review the formatting. Scroll from top to bottom and check that your headings follow a consistent pattern, lists line up correctly, and links look accurate. Make sure nothing feels crowded or hard to follow. When everything looks right, publish the page to keep the formatted text. Publishing commits your changes and makes the improved layout visible to your team. That's it. Clean, consistent formatting that helps your content shine and your readers find what they need fast.